Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to combine first and last name in Google Sheets. Let's begin. See this first name, last name. Select here first and last name. Add type to this formula. See this concatenate A2, comma B2. Then click OK and drag on your mouse. See this A2 first name, A2 first name and B2 last name. Add a comma to add a space between the first and last name. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.